I'll show you how to set up your HP Smart Tank 5103 printer with the Windows laptop. Here we have the Windows 11 laptop. First step is to download the HP Smart app. Once you get this app, now we will go to the printer control panel. On the control panel, press and hold the information button so that all the lights get activated. Press and hold the wireless button and the cancel button all together for 3 seconds. Once you see the wireless light and the power light flashing, the printer is ready in the setup mode. The wireless light will keep flashing continuously until we connected with the Wi-Fi network. Just go to the HP Smart app, click on the option Add New Printer. You will see the HP Smart Tank 5100 setup. Click on it. Click on the continue. Make sure your Windows 11 laptop is already connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Now select the network name from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Click on the continue. Press the flashing information button on the printer display panel. So if you look on that's the I button, press it once. Printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network. Continue the setup process. It may ask you to join the HP, and if you want you can just sign in the HP account. We have to install the printer. Scroll down and click on the printers and scanners. Here we have to click on the add device. Wait for your printer to show up. Select HP Smart Tank 5100 series and click on the add device. So here we can see it says ready. Close this window, go back to the app and then click on the continue. Just wait for the printer to show up here. On the main screen we can see our printer. It says HP Smart Tank 5100 series printer, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. That was the quick setup of the printer with the Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching.